Hello guys, I hope you're well, and I want to show you something about how to implement a LoRa from Civit AI that can actually add up to your content of your already existing LoRa. So first you can go to Civit AI, you click on models over here, and you will start seeing such pictures. Now I have liked this. This is actually kind of an old LoRa. It's 2 months ago. It's very good to go and check all of the photos because the newer the LoRa is, the better quality it will be and it will be much better for you. I don't want to lose this one, so I'm just opening a new window. And we need some time to load, but in general, from all of the stuff that are useless here, you will be able to actually find something that will be useful at the end. So we're looking for that thing, something that you may like. This will actually, it looks kind of realistic, and I'm not really sure. This is mid-journey, not safe for work, so it's not going to work on our model. Now, that's the reason why I have chosen. Okay, this is actually kind of good. When you see such a LoRa that is available and it does not show any kind of boobs or nudity, you can actually come here, copy it from copy link address, and then you will go to Flux. Now, I already have my own LoRa trained. This is my model. This is my model here. That's the main LoRa. And the Civit AI one actually comes here to this path. So this will be how you actually see when you run your LoRa to train additional content with it. You just come here, you add item, and you can just copy, go to Flux, add the LoRa, and now Flux will know that actually we want to implement something like this in our content, and since we already have LoRa, we have a strong basis, so the generator will actually compile with what we want. Of course, we need to tweak the prompt. I already pasted the prompt, so I have it, but I use Joy Caption, and I take prompts from models which are already super good looking and successful, and this model here is amazing, so I want to take her prompt. And in general, that's how you can receive some kind of a good basis of a content. You know, this photo doesn't look so interesting, but it looks like a pretty basic photo, and it's not the right, I just noticed that it's not the right size. We don't want default size. You want to go to portrait 3:4. That's I believe that's IG size, so it will be much better. We can generate one image, and I'm just gonna run it. We have the new prompt here as well. Okay, now this is something that I actually really like and enjoy. You see, this photo looks super realistic. Now, guys, actually, this is a real person. It's a ref model. I get it. So you will receive high quality when having reference models. Of course, she's trained on this LoRa, and the example is just to show you how you can implement a LoRa from Civit. We're currently using this one. I want to try with this one as well because I see the chest is kind of okay. So we will delete this prompt and I will paste the new one. I have the LoRa implemented. Let's check. Okay, you see, you have something that looks pretty good. We have the basic from the prompt because basically we took the prompt from here. Now the photo doesn't look the same, but with certain type of actions you can actually have something much similar. You don't really need the same type of photo. If you want the same type of photo, face swap it, but yeah, that's not how it should be done. So we want to create our own content. We want to be our own creators so that we don't have any kind of issues, and privacy is privacy. So generating a photo like this actually looks pretty fine. That's why I will download it. Keep in mind that this can be upscaled. This photo is very good. You can add a lot of things to it. So pretty much, yeah, that's the step. Now I want to try. I'm gonna try the same image with this Lora just to see where things are heading. Okay, you see now we have a bit different type of position. It's kind of okay because the legs look fine, and I will download this photo as well because I kind of like it. It's kind of blurry, but I mean it's fine. So what I'm now curious is how can I actually get even better quality. So I want to go to models, not images. I believe that most of it here is pornography. So we will come here and start searching. So this is photorealistic skin. It's like a month ago, and no, this is, yeah, this is very good, honestly, but it will be counted as not safe for work, guys, for sure. Let's try. I'm willing to try this. Let's go. So I just pasted the Laura, which has a lot of skin on it, and let's see how Fall reacts to that. Basically, it doesn't really care much. It just provides us with different varieties of the prompt that we have given it. So let's change the prompt. Okay. Now we have very strange face looking. It's a bit confused. I feel like this Laura doesn't really suit well. I mean, it does seem like it's trying to push a bit on the face, but it feels like the quality is not that good. So this photo, for sure, it needs to be upscaled in order to be uploaded. Okay, it's curious actually. You can also implement 2 or 3 LoRa's in full, and basically then you will need to really heavily navigate the compiler with your prompt because it's gonna have much more information to work with, and you can start receiving some bullshit outputs, and we don't want that. So look at this. This is hyperrealism LoRa. I'm gonna copy it, and I will start using this one because I believe that it will get me better results. Let's see the difference. Okay, kind of good. We're actually very creamy. Honestly, we're very creamy, but with an upscale or a face app, you can actually change the facial expression, so it's still good content. And I would even post it on my social media. Like, I don't really care if people like the model herself and the fact that she has a big chest, it's a niche, they will fall for it, you know. It's like when the photo is upscaled, it can start looking much better. And this is just the basic generation. An upscaler would actually make a difference for sure. I'm curious to take a new prompt. Um, okay, let's do like this. Receiving this here would be super hard for Fal Ai. I believe it's possible, but you need to round up like much more times. Let's see how we will go with this. Okay, actually it's kind of cool and cute, you know. I can generate it again, you know. This is a hack that you should actually use. Like basically it costs just a few cents to uh, generate the photo, and I just download all of the content, I would upscale it, and then I will decide which photo I will post. Generally, I always download all of the content, I delete some of the photos that I decide I don't like, then I upscale and I post 50% of the upscaled content because I just, I'm a picky person and I want to post the best I believe I have. It's a smart way of working, it's how I see things. I want to copy this Lora and try with it as well, and the same prompt just to see the difference and if the Lora will actually affect Fal Ai so hard that it can generate me something different. In general, it's pretty prompt orientated, so what you give on the prompt will be what. Okay, I don't like this. You see, this Lora immediately fucked up the face. It's even hideous and crazy bad looking. So I will just bring back to the old Laura and hopefully it will be better. Okay, now this is something that I like, right? You see, for Flux, yeah, to generate this with Fal AI is actually the biggest fucking challenge you can ever do. And despite the fact that this is a ref model, it doesn't matter if this is your own 100% AI model, you will still be able to generate something like this, guys. I clicked on 3 times the run and it still was able to reach this point, you see. Let's try out again. I don't like that one. Last try and let's see how it goes. Kind of okay, right? Kind of good. And yeah, pretty much that's how things happen, and you just need to give it as much time as possible in order to create something close to not safe for work or possible not safe for work. I just want to see some photo. Here is something sexy that is quality and bright and fresh. Let's take this one for example. This is not good quality. I don't like it. If you believe that something doesn't have good quality, guys, just dump it. You know, don't waste your time. Let's try this. I'm curious where it can go to. This is an AI model, just to say. I will copy this image and I will go to the Lora here and just take the prompt, and hopefully it will generate for me something fresh and yeah, black. Not safe for work, error prompt. We're sorry, sir, we cannot approve your request. Like, I don't give a shit, man. Just let's try to be professional. Okay, so I get it, I get it. You see, there is something in this prompt which is actually bothering Flux, and it doesn't want to generate not safe for work, you know. So yeah, what we do is we find the solution, we will immediately jump to another photo, and guess what? This one is also a bit naked, so we can just try. By the way, this is just a basic AI model, and run it. Hopefully this LoRa will get implemented a bit more even from the first time, so that we receive something good. Hope you see. Now this is the type of content that you actually really would love to have, because Instagram typically loves bright colors and something like this. It's sunny, it's on a beach, you know, it's amazing. So we can go again. Okay, you see the content is actually pretty well structured. I managed to change two LoRa's from Civit AI, and I changed a few prompts, and I'm already generating some fine content for my LoRa, which I can upscale and already improve the quality and post it on social media. Did I download the image? Yep, I did. So in general, the things are in the prompt, guys. You need to be prompt orientated and aware. Now, I want to check this one. This is very bad quality. I don't want to use it. Don't waste your time on low quality photos. Now, this one is kind of okay. Not very clear face, but still good. This is an old photo, that's for sure. It's created maybe like 4 months ago, 5 months ago, because the current technology actually provides better stuff for upscaling and posting on social media. Okay, I will remove this here. Yeah, in general, Fal Ai is an amazing platform. It's really helpful to be able to have these opportunities online and great service and implementing LoRa's and stuff like that. It's amazing, actually. Not safe for work content. Once again, I'm really I am the problem here, because I continue to give it photos that can trigger not safe for work, but I just want to just be able to be on the border, you know, like walk through and still manage to get just a bit more skin visible. And yeah, At the end, this is what we get. You see, if you fight for it, you will generally receive it. So this photo is blurry. I don't like it. It's not that good quality because our, but yeah, in general, this will be upscaled, and once upscaled, things will work much better, and you will be able to uh, post this content wherever you find best. Thank you very much, guys, and see you soon.